Hi friends, it's been quite some time and yeah, I've been busy doing one thing or the other. So today we're not going to be doing much. We're just going to be checking what comes with the Fractal Design Era ITX case. I guess it's been out for quite some time. There's a lot of unboxing going out there on the internet and a lot of reviews and stuff like that. So I'm going to be showing you what comes inside the box. If you've not subscribed, use this opportunity to subscribe so you can get more content from my uploads. And for those of you who love to have questions, and this is just going to be an unboxing, and later I'll try to make a build with this case, and we dismantle it and we talk about what needs to be done and what you need to be done there. So without too much talk, let me bring it out and check what's in the box from the Fractal Design Era. So, opening the case from the top, I usually do it from below before, but I changed my mind now, and you get this, which is the accessories. It's like the accessory case you might have seen from some of the online. And when you open it, what do you have inside? You have a mesh for the top, and under that you have this wooden top, which the base is made of melter and the other side is wood. I guess it's a real wood. I wouldn't know. We'll find out from that later. And we have this little accessory kits. What do we have inside? Let me see. So these are the screws and the zip ties. I guess these are the hard drive screws, which you use for the hard drives, and also the ones for mounting stuff. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zip ties in there, and that is all for this top part of it, which is the accessory box. And the case itself, let me bring it out. Come on. Oh, why not? Okay. So I have mine in blue. Why is it getting stuck? Oh, I found it. Okay. So I have mine in blue, which I think it's blue or gray. I forgot which one I ordered. I did order it with my money. This is not being sent to me by anybody to make anything. This is something I did order with my money. Okay, so this is the silver part. It's not the blue one. Sorry about that. So that is the case, and we have the user guide, something in red, which talks about attention, things that need you to know, and everything about the case is illustrated here, which is the user guide, and this is the case. So you can see that it's mini ITX case, and that is just that, very portable. So I'm gonna open it up. Opening it up is just by pulling it. There's a cut in top here on both sides, which you can use to pull them out. And the same way to put them in, you slide them into a little slot here, and you slide the down part into the little slot and just key it in, which clicks just like that. So it's not very difficult. This is basically aluminum and with a mesh for ventilation on both sides. And I believe you can remove the front panel also. I have, let me see, I think so, without a screw. Probably with a screw. Yeah, you have a screw. You have to unscrew it up to get it out. So basically this is what we have inside. So we have this, which you can mount your hard drive or fan, which is, I believe, is a 90 or 80 millimeter, and there is no rising for GPU, which I don't know if you need it, but I don't think you need it because there's no vertical GPU mount. It's only on the side, so I don't think you need it. And this is for the extension of the power plug from the back here to the front. And we have The good thing, what I like is it has a USB-C connector which you can connect directly to the board, and basically audio, USB, also here the number one, and the I/O connection, 2 USB in front, 1 USB-C, audio jack, and the power button. Mesh, which is also magnetic. This is also magnetic. If you decide to put it like this, it doesn't work, so you need this. This has to be here. That is where the magnet is actually, before this can go on it. So the magnet is basically in here on the four corner, and that is what holds the top together from falling. And you can actually really easily remove it also this way. And for the wood also, you got 4 screws that imitate the magnet, and you can use it. Then I think you can just use it. It doesn't really, it holds it, but not as strong enough to be able to pick it up. So that is it. Oh, it does actually. So I guess I didn't do it enough very well. So yeah, it does. The magnet on this side works also. So this is where the magnet is. It's not on here, it's not on here, it's just on this one. If you have any other question, you can leave it down there in the comment below, and I will sure answer the question when we do the assembling and this dismantling of this case. So I'm not going to be using, this is basically what you can do without using a screwdriver to unscrew anything. So I'm just basically going to stop it there for the unboxing. If you have any question, leave it there in the comment below, and I think between the next short time I'm gonna come up with a build, or in this case I'm gonna have a build in this case, and I'm gonna do this assembling of this case in case you want to go further into this case to do whatever you want to do. So this is the Fractal Design Era, and guys, thanks for watching. If you have any question, it's really very hot today. You can see me sweating because I have to switch off the air condition because I don't want too much noise in the video. So I hope to see you in the next video. Any comments, leave it down there below. I'll be sure to answer it. And don't forget to subscribe to be able to see content from me when they are being uploaded. See you. Udabo.